Hey guys, in this video I silk pressed my elder sister Debbie's natural hair. I also attempt to trim her hair because her ends were so bad. So just sit back, relax, and watch this video. Her hair type is 4A/B. First I'm going to apply Afuji Green Tea Reconstructor. Then I'm applying Bamboo and Silk Leave-In Conditioner by Design Essentials and massage that into her hair. After that, I'm going to comb the products into her hair for even distribution. Then I'm going to apply a drop of the Silk Essentials into her hair. Then I'm combing her hair again for the same reason. So now I've sectioned her hair into 3 and I'm blow drying her hair downward and basically stretching the hair. I'm combing her hair with the blow drying comb attachment. Moving on, I'm blow drying her hair with the comb attached this time. So this is her hair when her entire hair is completely blown out. I'm basically applying the Silk Essentials again. I'm sectioning her hair from the bottom, I say about 1/2 inch, and straightening her hair using the chase method. Now the secret for a flawless silk press, in my opinion, is in how thin you section the hair. So I'm making sure I'm not grabbing a huge chunk of hair. As you can see, my sister does have see-through sections. Here you can see I tried to give her that beautiful U shape, but she just won't let me trim her hair. She needed to trim at least 2 inches. Anyway, this is the result, guys. It's not really what I wanted, but I mean, she's my client, so what can I say? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.